in the end, I was like, do you know what? I think I could do this better. So, and furthermore, they kind of, I felt betrayed. So I thought, you know what, cool. Let's set it up and let's try and see how it goes. But the things that I saw that they did and they didn't take it, I'm a sweet connoisseur, I am. I know my sweets. Like, if I bite into a sweet and it's hard and it's not soft, or the bonbons are going to take your teeth out, then I am a perfectionist. So when we did that, we said, I sampled these sweets, say, okay, we've got to get them all fresh. I don't like the way that they do this. It's got to be this when you eat into it. They've got to be made there and then. We did it. We launched, and I didn't want to say that, this is our thing, because I wanted the action. Let's talk more action. I wanted the action to do the talking. I didn't want, what are these sweets? People were buying the sweets. Oh my God, it was sick. And I was just sitting there like, this is crazy. Like, this is exactly how it should be going. And like, props to the missus and her team, because you have a team of like 20 people running that. Like, when it's set up, it was like a joke, but it was for us.
Yeah.
It was actually like for me, like, I want some sweets, you know what, we'll do a few bags. I remember when we launched it and we had 100 bags. Ask Cam. He's like, even the Cam's in the back is going to be laughing. We launched. It's like, okay, cool. Should we do 100 bags for the first launch? We did the post, bro. 3,000 orders.
Oh my God.
These that were upstairs in my house. Literally, the top floor was just a sweet factory. There was on shifts in night, packing the bags. Everyone was looking at each other. Everyone was all stressed. And I was just sitting there eating. I just go out there, pick up my sweets. And like, listen, if I got involved, the business is going to crumble. So it's just best me. Yeah, but it was wild. But like, that was a situation. And do you know how that situation occurred? Because Corona happened. You can't go to the cinemas. There was stop, pick and mix because of, do you know what I'm saying?
You can't put your hands in.
So that was where the gap in the market was. So Corona actually helped that situation.
Whether you work 9 to 5, 5 to 9, or both, this podcast right here will motivate you to get your hustle on. So subscribe now and listen to How We Hustle with me, Yianni, on the free BBC Sounds app. Enjoy.